investors. This is your girl, Rota Maureen, and I'm giving you a new and exciting, fresh, hot property in the market right now. I want to be the first to tell you that right now, in the heart of Olokunla, Ajah, we are launching our 3-bedroom terrace duplexes and our 4-bedroom terrace duplexes right here in an already existing well-serviced estate. We are coming to get from us a 3-bedroom terrace duplex and a 4-bedroom terrace duplex. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. There's amazing things you need to know about this area. It's just about 30 seconds off the main express, just a 30 seconds drive off the main express with an already existing estate that has security, good road network. They have inside this estate schools, churches, shopping malls. The estate is already self-sustaining, and we're bringing to you live, very beautiful and well-designed, modern, well-designed 3-bedroom terrace duplex and 4-bedroom terrace duplexes right now, with an initial deposit of 10 million naira. You're just doing a 10 million naira deposit and you're getting a beautiful terrace duplex for yourself. I am so excited because you've asked for it. Looking for a property right in Abraham Adesanya, Olokunla in Abraham Adesanya, Ajah, just close to the express. So from the estate, you just drive out into the express. It's in an already existing self-sustaining estate, and once you key into it, within 6 months we're delivering you your units. Yes, when you key with a deposit of 10 million naira and you're doing an outright payment, we are delivering your house for you within 6 months. Now, properties around here are selling for 80 million, 70 million, 90 million for 4-bedroom terrace duplexes around this area. But right now you're seeing a giveaway price of our 4-bedroom terrace duplex for 60 million naira and a 3-bedroom terrace duplex for 50 million naira. Come on, you have to give me a call. You have to give me a call. I'm going to take you to this exciting area. I'm going to tell you all about it. Close by, we have the Novare shopping mall, we have the Sky Mall, we have the Genesis Center, on all that. We have a lot of landmarks close by that you can be able to use to stay here. Like I said, it's an already existing estate that has schools, churches, place of worship, actually, church, mosques and all that. But okay, let me cool down. I know I'm too excited, so I'm saying a lot of things out of excitement, but let me cool down and say it very slowly. Now, very calmly, do you know that in an estate that already the terrace duplexes are selling for 90 million or 80 million, you can get your own 4-bedroom, well-designed, modern, spacious terrace duplex for 60 million naira? That is exactly what I was trying to tell you. So with all my excitement, let me calm down and tell you that, okay? Or you can get a 3-bedroom terrace duplex, spacious, beautiful design, fully finished 3-bedroom terrace duplex for 50 million naira. And trust me, this is not like in some bush. This is an already existing estate. This is where people are living around. So there is nothing stopping you from keying into this. Now, you can key in with a deposit of 10 million naira, and within 3 months we won't charge you additional cost. But also we have flexible payment options that run up to 12 months. So this is not something you should shift or you should leave. Now, the thing about this is that we have few units left. Look at it. Just look at it. You see that we don't have a lot of space to build, so we're going to be very few units. It's actually a first come, first serve property. So don't sit on it, don't sleep on it. I'm the first to tell you this. Don't sleep on it right now. Give me a call. Let's bring you to this beautiful place, okay? Right. Thank you.